There's Anita M1. These are teddy bears, one half Shih Tzu and one half for Sean. And here comes F2 from Anita. M stands for male, F stands for female. And here comes F3. And last will be F4.
Classic corn dogs and signature Pick 5 corn dogs. They were made in July 13. Listeria. And that's one of the things I think we should move them down to.
So you have a combination of crawling, walking.
With the next people